Olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, is a versatile and ancient oil extracted from the fruit of the olive tree. Like fine wine, premium olive oil brings complex flavors to your table and creates a real taste sensation. For thousands of years, it's been a staple in Mediterranean diets and is widely celebrated for its use in cooking, cosmetics, and traditional medicine. Also, it is renowned for its rich flavor and numerous health benefits. Today, join Captain Discovery on an exciting adventure as we unveil the magic behind olive oil in the factory. We'll explore the sun-kissed olive groves, where the journey begins, witness the careful hand-picking and pressing of olives, and follow the transformation into the golden liquid that graces your kitchen. It's more than just oil, it's a story of tradition, culture, and culinary magic waiting to be discovered. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Captain Discovery as we can dive into fascinating processes from around the world. The cultivation of olive trees dates back thousands of years, with evidence of olive oil production found in ancient civilizations, such as the Minoans and Egyptians. These early cultures recognized the oil's value, not only as a culinary ingredient, but also as a source of light, medicine, and beauty. Greece and Rome further elevated olive oil to a symbol of wealth and prosperity. It was used in religious ceremonies, as a dietary staple, and for personal care. The Roman Empire expanded olive cultivation throughout its territories, spreading the appreciation for this golden liquid across the Mediterranean basin. The 20th century marked a transformative period for olive oil. Industrial advancements led to increased production, while growing health consciousness boosted its popularity. Globalization facilitated the spread of olive oil beyond the Mediterranean, solidifying its status as a global culinary staple.
Crisco oil an hour.
Must have soaked up more oil. Won't it taste greasy?
Crisco oil hasn't let me down in 15 years.
It's nice to know you can trust Crisco oil to fry chicken that doesn't taste greasy.
Filippo Barrio makes food taste so good, it might never make it to the table.
Olive oil has enjoyed a resurgence in popularity in recent decades, driven by a growing awareness of the benefits of the Mediterranean diet. Consumers have embraced olive oil as a cornerstone of healthy eating. Advances in production techniques have led to a wider availability of high-quality olive oils, catering to diverse culinary preferences. Before we start, here's the Discovery Challenge about olive oil. Olive oil is primarily produced in which region of the world? The answer will be revealed at the end of the video. Share your answer in the comments section below now. Today we'll go to an olive farm in Spain to find out more about olive harvesting. Everything begins at sunrise, when the olive is succulent. The timing is so important because the olives need to be as mature as possible. So the best time to collect them is from November to January. Then switch to preparing the olive trees for the next harvest. To collect olives, they use machines called vibradoras to shake ripened olives out of the trees. When farmers vibrate the trunk of the plant, all the vibrations go toward the exterior part of the plant. This method doesn't damage the branches or the tree trunk, it just makes the ripe olives fall to the ground. In a day, a farmer family in Europe can harvest around 8,000 kilos of olives. After harvesting, they unload into trucks, which will head into the olive oil factory. Next comes the cleaning stage. Olives are gently washed to remove dirt from their globes. This step is crucial to ensure the oil's flavor and purity aren't compromised by contaminants. Advanced washing systems, often using recycling technologies, are used to reduce environmental impact. After cleaning, the olives move to the crushing stage. This step breaks down the fruit to release the oil within the cells. Traditionally, millstones were used to grind the olives into a paste, but modern olive mills use advanced machinery for the same purpose. The goal is to create a uniform mixture that allows for efficient oil extraction. It's break time! Did you know using extra virgin olive oil is linked with lower dementia risk and better brain health? So, do you use olive oil in your meal? Can you share with others in the comments below? Extracting olive oil from crushed olives is a crucial step in production. This process uses centrifugation, where the olive paste is spun at high speeds in a centrifuge. The spinning causes the heavier parts like water, pulp, and pits to move to the bottom, while the lighter olive oil rises to the top. The separated olive oil is then collected for further processing. The leftover solid material, called pomace, can be used to make other olive oil products. The transformation of crude olive oil into a refined product involves careful purification steps. First, the oil is washed to remove impurities and plant debris. Then the mixture of oil and water is left to settle, allowing them to separate naturally. To speed up this process, centrifugation is used, which spins the mixture to separate the oil more efficiently. To ensure top quality, rigorous quality control measures are in place throughout the production process. Various tests are performed to check the oil's acidity, peroxide levels, and sensory attributes. These tests determine the final classification of the olive oil, such as extra virgin or pure olive oil. By following strict quality standards, producers ensure that consumers receive an exceptional product. The final step in olive oil production is the bottling and packaging phase. During the filling stage, the refined oil is meticulously poured into bottles of varying sizes, ranging from small household containers to larger commercial formats. To ensure the oil's quality and prevent any contamination, airtight caps are securely placed on the bottles. The labeling process involves adding crucial details, such as the brand name, type of olive oil, origin, and nutritional information to each bottle. The design of the packaging, which includes the shape of the bottle, the label design, and any additional packaging materials, is thoughtfully crafted to attract consumers and convey the product's quality. This stage is essential in ensuring that the olive oil reaches consumers in optimal condition and with an appealing presentation.
All crafted with only the finest ingredients. Available now at filippoberio.co.uk. Filippo Berio, his signature, our promise.
And now's the answer for the quiz about olive oil. And the answer is the Mediterranean. Olive oil is primarily produced in the Mediterranean region, with countries like Spain, Italy, and Greece being the top producers. This region's climate, characterized by hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters, is ideal for olive cultivation. The Mediterranean's long history of olive oil production is deeply embedded in its culture and cuisine, making it a staple in the local diet. Interesting, right? Olive oil has long been celebrated for its culinary and health benefits, but it's also increasingly recognized as a sustainable product. Olive trees are perennial, meaning they live for many years, reducing the need for frequent replanting compared to annual crops. Also, this tree absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, contributing to climate change mitigation. In some regions in the world, many people have developed efficient irrigation practices to make sure olive trees have adapted to arid conditions. Traditional olive groves often support diverse ecosystems, providing habitats for various plant and animal species. Eventually, the olive oil industry now is striving for improvements in areas like organic cultivation, waste reduction, and fair labor practices. Thank you for joining us in exploring the production process of olive oil. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.